Good day to all. I am Advocate Pradeep Shukla, practicing at Bombay since 47 years. आज का YouTube वीडियो में मैं ऐसा एक जजमेंट अपलोड करने वाला हूँ. जजमेंट तो 52 पेजेस का है, बट इन मैं शॉर्ट में फैक्ट्स बताऊँगा कि ये जजमेंट का इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि ये प्रॉपर्टी ओनर्स के लिए भी ज़रूरी है समझना, और बैंकर्स और फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो मॉर्गेज करके लोन देते हैं उसके लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. नाउ ये शॉर्ट फैक्ट्स ऐसा है कि 1967 में वन ऑफ द पर्सन परचेज द प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड. नाउ आफ्टर परचेज ऑफ द प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड ही एक्सपायर्ड इन 2005. उनका गुजर जाने के बाद द प्रॉपर्टी बिकम द जॉइंट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ all the heirs and legal representative of the deceased. Now one of the heirs and legal representative, उसने क्या किया कि in spite of the knowing the fact कि it's a joint property, खुद ने वो property divide करा, division करा के by registered agreement sale कर दिया. Now other heirs were not knowing about the same. जिसने वो property purchase किया and he approached the bank for availment the loan against that purchase of the property. So mortgage was created, everything was fine, but unfortunately the person who purchased the property and availed the loan could not repay in time, and that's why banks started taking action, and under the SARFAESI Act they wanted to acquire the property and sell. Now at this stage, one of the husband who was the joint owner also expired. His wife filed a suit in the city civil court, claiming that this sale and mortgage both are illegal and cannot be bind. Now under SARFAESI Act, a bank has taken possession, and the question arose was, can this can be allowed? The suit was filed before the trial court. The trial court rejected the plaint, that the court has no jurisdiction because the actions are under the SARFAESI Act, and the DRT cannot deal with such subject as to the ownership will rightly transfer or not, because before DRT under the SARFAESI Act also there are limitations. Against this, in the High Court the lady went and they challenged the judgment. The High Court also considered the judgment, and then ultimately rejection of the plaint was disallowed, and that's why the judgment came in favor of the owner of the property, who was not a party to the mortgage. The best part, the bank preferred an appeal against that before Supreme Court. Now Supreme Court has given a well considered judgment. Now this judgment is in the Civil Appellate Jurisdiction में Civil Appeal number 1876 of 2016 between Central Bank of India and others versus Srimati Prabha Jain and others. Now in this judgment the question was कि whether any person not a party to the mortgage, not a party to the SARFAESI claim, can file this suit. Now Supreme Court has given a well-considered judgment that the jurisdiction of the civil court is not barred. The civil court has a right to decide this. If the original sale was illegal, the subsequent mortgage also is illegal. And that's why they approve the judgment given by the High Court and allow the order in favor of the one of the owner. In this judgment, the bank also, the court also has considered the responsibility of the bank, that who can be held responsible for not giving proper search report and acting upon the search report. The bankers officers who have dealt with the passing of the loan has to be liable about the same. Now also it is held that the banks or the financial institutions should not go for the cheap way of getting the search report, and public money should not be affected. Now this is well considered judgment from the property owner point of view also, that they should not feel that they are helpless. The court has a right to cancel even the sale deed, mortgage deed, and in this case even the prayer was there the constructed part should be demolished and the land should be given back to the party. Now, from this point of view, I feel that property owners, bankers, financial institutions, everybody should take care while obtaining the title search report of the property. Now, any questions of any person has, any financial institutions, bank, or the owner of the property are free to ask any questions to me. The consultation for this matter will be absolutely free. Thank you. God bless you.